This video teaches you how to use your touchscreen, mouse, trackpad, or digital tablet to draw on PowerPoint slides. Drawing while presenting. Open your presentation in PowerPoint. Click the Slideshow tab. Start the presentation. You can click play from beginning to begin the slideshow. Click the pen icon. You'll see this icon at the bottom left corner of the slide. A list of drawing tools will expand. Click Pen on the menu. Select an ink color. The default color is red, but you can change it if you'd like. Now you can draw on the current slide with the selected option. The options selected will stay the same as you proceed through the slideshow. You'll be asked if you want to save your markings after the slideshow is finished. Drawing while creating. Open your presentation in PowerPoint. Enable the Draw tab if it's not present, Windows only. Here's how. Click the File menu at the top left and choose Options. Click Customize ribbon. Click Draw. Click the Draw tab. Select one of the drawing tools. Click the drawing tool again to set your preferences. To start drawing, just click and drag the mouse, finger, or drawing tool. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.